How to turn off photo gallery access on Facebook. So if you do not want Facebook to access the photo gallery, first open the settings on your device. Once the settings is open, tap on the option apps. Find the option for Facebook and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the app info of Facebook. Find the option for permissions and tap on it. Now you can see the permissions like camera, contacts, microphone, notifications, etc. Tap on this option photos and videos. Now tap on the option don't allow that you can see on the screen. Go back. Now your permission settings has been updated. Now you can see over here the option for photos and videos is not allowed. Now Facebook will no longer be able to access the photo gallery. Like this, you'll be able to turn off the access for photo gallery on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.